Right now we're headed back to Red River for another weekend of fun. It hasn't been raining this time, so we should have much better conditions to ride today. So last time we were here, the 110 that's back behind me, the 110 needed the carb cleaned up, and I got that done since then. Now it runs perfectly, so gonna have some fun around the truck and like in the little sandy area with the 110 that's near the parking area. And got the 250 back there as well, right there. So the 250, I didn't get the fork seals done, but I did buy the fork seals and the fork oil, so I can probably get that done sometime this coming week before I go ride again. Now, unfortunately, I did not bring my GoPro, so I'm gonna do my best today to get plenty of like phone video. Instead of just racing around, I'm sure we're gonna go find some hill climbs and shit like that, so it'll be easy to have somebody just film a couple things, but it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna try my best to I'm gonna try my best to get some footage on the phone. So, and that's more exciting anyways. The GoPro footage off-road kind of sucks anyways. It's hard to make it look good or look challenging. GoPros make everything just look really easy. What's up, dude? Freshy. Fresh 450S. I think they just scooped that up here the other day, actually. Bye, guys.
Still can't believe I did that. I wasn't even on my phone or nothing. I literally like just kind of like glanced to the side a second, and then next thing I know, I'm in the fucking guardrail.
Damn it. Were you on your phone? Were you on your phone?
No.
No, just fucking.
I wish I was. I would have got it on video.
That would have been a better excuse than just fucking ending up in the guardrail, huh? All right. Be fair though, this is a twisty ass road.
Yeah, this road is good. Literally like 5 minutes away.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I was so pissed.
Well, hey, at least you're all right. The bike seemed like it didn't fly out of the truck, judging by the photo you took.
Bike stayed in the truck.
Yeah.
I was about to pull it out, but then I was like, nah.
Like, that's what insurance is for.
But my insurance is gonna go way up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, how old are you? 22, 23?
21.
21?
Yeah.
Damn it. There it is. Jeez.
You rolled that far? Huh? You rolled
Damn.
that far?
Yeah, I was gonna say you got fucking far up here, dude.
I mean, it stopped in the guardrail, but I was like, I can't be in the road.
Oh, gotcha.
Honestly, it really doesn't look that bad.
Jeez, man.
Probably not gonna
Tire off the rim.
piece of shit.
Part out? What you got for sale? Rim for sale? Damn. Yeah. Had to move the bike over. Trooper just got here. Gotta get this thing on a tow truck and go rip for the day. Hit that guardrail back there and damn it. This rim is pretty turned off to the side. And this one's pretty damn straight on this side. What's the trooper doing? Going
Check.
to check the guardrail, make sure it's not damaged. Okay. Go turn around and off-road it, baby. Damn. Straighten her out, bud. I don't know how he drove. I can't believe he drove from all the way back there to... Older taco pulling a newer taco.
Oh. Eco mode.
No gas, baby. All brakes. Hit it, bitch. God, we're terrible. I love it. Oh yeah. Oh, wreck the nuts, bro. Got that fucking candy cane lever, dude. Damn, Bruno, what happened to ramping the rock and then just going straight up it? Improvise, adapt, overcome.
Bear Grylls shit.
Yeah, but you didn't really improvise, adapt, or overcome.
A little bit.
I know I didn't get much footage of us actually riding today, but I promise you we were out there for a few hours. Unfortunately, it is only 2 o'clock and we are already leaving. Look at this helmet beard. You thought you had bad helmet hair? I got bad helmet beard. It looks all nasty. So a bunch of the guys are going on a snowboarding trip to New Mexico and they're leaving tonight. So they wanted to leave early to go get ready. And then Alex, unfortunately, him crashing his truck up here that I showed y'all earlier, it's got him leaving early as well to try to get the tow truck driver med. And oh, there's Alex's truck on the tow truck. Damn, son. Oh, fucked up the end of the guardrail. Damn. It really don't look that bad. That sucks. So, Cole and Tom are hosed, and they're not answering their phones right now. So I came up to Maxim. Why? Because they have a pit bike track in the back. So I'm gonna unload and probably fucking rip this track. But first off, let's walk down here. Look at what we got. It's not really anything special. It's mostly worn out a little bit. But I'm gonna bring some dirt up here. Because for you guys that don't know, I do excavation work, so I'm gonna bring a bunch of loads of dirt up here and fucking fix all this shit with a Bobcat one day. All these. Damn. All right, Tom called me back just now. I'm about to go meet them at the lot. But basically, the berm's blown out. This berm's all fucking small. This big jump in quotations. It's not in that bad of shape really, but it could definitely be a lot better. So we're yeah, I plan on bringing a bunch of dirt here and fucking redoing all of these because they need some big fucking help. So, and I'll probably add a bunch more jumps too. Maybe add shit coming down the hill, maybe add some more shit over there. I don't know. We'll see how many we'll see how far I can stretch out all the dirt. I was gonna unload real quick, but I think I'm just gonna go meet them at the lot. So fucking stop by Maxim for no reason, so that's okay. Now you guys know what I plan on doing here. Man, I love Maxim. They're the shit. All right, well, let's load back up and go meet Tom and Cole now. How can you not ride a fucking
Look at
hoverboard?
his butt. Look at his butt.
That thing's clenched up.
Oh yeah, bro. What the fuck? Dude, it's such a hard road.
Cole's like, oh fuck, I'm going backward now, dude. So I know that video was very random and sporadic and not really that much riding actually, but like I said, I didn't have my GoPro mount on, and yeah, it was kind of hard to film. It's kind of hard to film whenever you're just trying to ride, and I feel like an asshole asking, stopping and being like, hey guys, film me doing this real quick. That's kind of a hoe move. I would have gotten this video out sooner as well, but the very next day actually, after riding, I got the flu, and I've been sick the whole fucking week, and then I just got busy doing other shit. And as you can see though, I've done a few things to the bike already. There's no forks on it, no tires, but I do have those back. I'm about to slap those on actually. I got the fork seals fixed, and then I got some different tires for it because I wasn't fucking with what was on there. So I got a Shinko Cheater for the back, which everybody says hooks up in the dirt like a motherfucker. And then the front, I went with the Pirelli Scorpion because those tires are incredible. And they don't make the Pirelli Scorpion XC in the 19-inch wheel, which unfortunately I have the 19 instead of the 18. So yeah, I'm gonna put those back on real quick. If you notice right there though, that's a fucking Lectron, baby. I didn't film it or anything like that whenever I put this on, but last weekend I did actually put on a Lectron as well. I haven't gotten to ride with it because it's, in hover mode right now. But I started it up on the stand, and that Lectron, even just revving it in neutral on the stand, you can feel the fucking, you can just feel how smooth it is, through the whole thing. And I'm very excited to ride this coming weekend with it, and I can, it's gonna be such a different bike now. And on top of that, I have a flywheel weight that I'm gonna put in here, and that's supposed to kind of give you some more low end in your bike. So I'm gonna put the wheels back on, put the forks back on, get it off the stand, and then take my skid plate off, and then I can take this cover off and get the flywheel weight in there. So let's do it. Fuck yeah. Get in there nice and deep black. Yeah. Remember when doing brakes, always use fucking Loctite. Front wheel's done. I really need a parts washer. This thing's disgusting. There we go. That was way gross. It's currently pretty nasty out. It's raining and everything like that. So hopefully by this weekend it's kind of dried up a little bit and maybe we can get out and ride. That's the goal anyways. So I'm excited to try out the Lectron. I'm excited to try out the flywheel weight and really kind of see what it changes up on the bike. But all good things, always learning, always trying to improve. I'm gonna make a separate video on installing the flywheel weight. Sweet. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.